Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create shortcut that combines echo and backspin effects in virtual DJ software. This is an example. Let's dive into it deeply. Open your virtual DJ and go to Settings, choose Controllers. Go down on Advanced Editor, click in Key box to choose any keyboard button you want, but for I choose U button. And click in Action button. And write in correctly this mapping. Effect space apostrophe backspin apostrophe space active. Space while underscore pressed space and space effect space apostrophe echo apostrophe space active space while underscore pressed. Save this mapping, and cross Controllers tab. Next thing is to check if it is working, while pressed on U letter button. So if you press U button, this is how it sounds like.
This is your favorite DJ.
So this can help you while you are mixing your songs, and it is better transition instead of using echo only or using backspin only. And by avoiding boring music blends, I mean music mix. If you found this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more DJ new tricks and like.